Hi, this is Zhang with the 4A. I'm making a test video for this QLogic joystick. Last three serial number is 041. I've stated in the comment or in the description that it does have like a code issue. It's stating that the joystick is not centered. This is how you fix it. Now I'm selling it as used, but just letting the buyers know that there is an issue. So when you turn it on, it's going to give you this code. Okay? And again, it won't go, but if you just push on the center of it, okay, well, if you push on the center of it when the stop sign comes on, it's not going to work. But the idea is to push the joystick down for it to work. So we'll try it again. Turns on, it tells you the first time, and you push it down. See that? And it works. All options do work. Speed. And it will go. If there's any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.